Foundation Module 3, UH Modular Integrated Undergraduate Curriculum Physiology, Dr. Sheen, CEO and founder, Medical Superfast Simplified Physiology. Video lecture notes, Sheikh Zayed Medical College, Physiology Department, Guyton and Hall, 14 edition, Chapter number 5, Lecture number 5, page, explain the effects of altering the concentration of sodium, potassium, calcium on the equilibrium. Potential for that ion. Altering the concentration of sodium, potassium and calcium ions affects their equilibrium potentials as determined by the Nernst equation. Here we mention the changes in the concentration gradients of these ions influence their equilibrium potentials. Increasing extracellular Na+. Concentration. Increasing the extracellular concentration of sodium from 142 milliequivalent per liter raises the numerator in the Nernst equation. The equilibrium potential for sodium becomes more positive, it increasing the excitability of neurons and muscle cells. Decreasing extracellular sodium concentration. Decreasing the extracellular concentration of sodium lowers the numerator in the Nernst equation. It becomes less positive, more negative. Increasing extracellular potassium concentration. Normally, the concentration of potassium is higher inside the cell than outside and increasing excitability. Increasing the extracellular concentration of potassium raises, from 4 milliequivalent per liter, the numerator in the Nernst equation. The equilibrium potential for potassium becomes less negative, decreasing extracellular potassium concentration. Decreasing the extracellular concentration of potassium lowers the numerator in the Nernst equation, becomes more negative. Increasing extracellular calcium concentration. Increasing the extracellular concentration of calcium raises the numerator in the Nernst equation. The equilibrium potential for calcium becomes more positive, which can enhance various calcium-dependent cellular processes. Decreasing extracellular calcium concentration. Decreasing the extracellular concentration of calcium lowers the numerator in the Nernst equation, becomes less positive, more negative. These changes in equilibrium potentials influence the overall membrane potential and can affect cell excitability and function.